Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can manage notifications for a specific app on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we can do is go to the settings, then in the settings scroll down to find notifications, and then go to app notifications. Over here you can find all apps, or actually at first you'll find most recent apps that you have been using, but you can also switch over here to all apps in order to find all available apps on your smartphone. Now, in order to manage your notifications, then you can select the specific app. So over here, let's say I'm gonna choose Google. Let's actually go to Google. And in this case, I can adjust which type of notifications I want to receive. Now, of course, this all depends on the app itself. Because for instance, if you go to messages, then you'll of course find different notifications instead. And you can simply tap on the slider in order to enable or disable a notification. Or you can disable all notifications by tapping this button over here, this slider. And if you go back, then you can also completely enable or disable notifications by tapping on this slider as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.